This shell is glowing! That's so cool! I've never seen anything like this before. It's magical. That doesn't look normal. What's happening? Help! I can't stop. Where am I? This place, it's beautiful. Wow, I'm underwater, but I can breathe. This is incredible. Hey there, landlubber. Welcome to the Jewel of the Sea. You can talk? This just keeps getting weirder.
Young traveler, you hold a great power in your hands.
This shell? What do you mean?
It protects our world, but danger is near.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! The octopus is coming! He wants the shell! Who's the octopus? The meanest, scariest creature down here!
I see you have something I want.
This? No way! You can't have it!
Give me the shell, or your new friends will suffer.
I won't let you hurt them!
We must stand together.
Yeah, he's big, but we're smart! I don't know if I'm brave enough for this. We can do this, guys. Let's work together. Here's the plan. Clownfish, you distract him. Turtle, you block his path. Crab, you cut the seaweed at the right moment. Hey, big guy. Then you can't catch me.
You pesky little fish. Stop swimming in circles.
Almost there.
Coco, you got this, buddy. Okay, I can do this. Just one little snip. Cuts the seaweed. This ends now. Stay away from my friends. The shell glows brightly.
No, the light. It's too strong.
There! It's where it belongs! Turtle, you have saved us all, young one! Woohoo! We did it! I was totally brave, right? Right? Yeah, we all were. I wish I could stay, but I have to go home.
You will always be part of our world.
Come visit any time. But not when there's danger. Show us. For fun next time. Deal.